I'm Sarah from Budgetsew. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to review these Singer 9.5 inch Pro Series bent sewing scissors from Amazon that are priced at $15.99. In the comment section of this video, let me know about your favorite pair of fabric shears. And while you're there, don't forget to smash the like for this video. And if you'd like to see more from Budgetsew, please subscribe. Now, if you're a sewer like me, you know that you have a pair of scissors for everything. You have a pair for cutting fabric, one for thread, one for paper, and you may even have a pair of pinking shears. For the non-sewers, you're probably wondering, why so many pairs of scissors? Here's the reason. If you use your fabric scissors on paper, the paper dulls the blades quicker, making it harder to cut precisely. Now, these Singer scissors have a rubberized comfort grip that easily cut through multiple layers of fabric. These blades are tempered and ground on both sides for increased sharpness and longer life. They also come with a lifetime guarantee. I love these scissors. They cut through my fabric like a hot knife through butter, and they're really impressive for the $15.99 price tag. So I'll give you a little demonstration of them, how well they work. If you're interested in buying these scissors from Amazon for $15.99, I'll post a link for the scissors in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.